Hello students, how is the preparation for NEET and mains? Good? Okay. Today we will start one new topic, neighboring group participation. NGP, neighboring group participation. NGP, neighboring group participation. Neighboring group participation. NEIGHBOURING, neighboring group participation. Neighboring group participation. Neighboring group participation. Okay. NGP, also known as anchimeric assistance. Anchimeric assistance. ASSISTANCE. This NGP belongs to nucleophilic substitution reaction. It belongs to nucleophilic substitution reaction. We will discuss rate of reaction, increased rate of reactions with NGP, neighboring group participation. So generally what is happening, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place with alkyl halides, tosyls, methyls and good leaving group containing compound. So generally what is happening, so nucleophilic substitution reactions will take place on alkyl halide, nucleophilic substitutions takes place on alkyl halide, triflet, tosylate or mesylate or good leaving group containing compounds. Good leaving group containing compounds. Alkyl halide, tosylate, mesylate, triflet, any good leaving group containing compounds generally undergoing nucleophilic substitution reactions. The reaction, the substrate which is having, if the substrate is having beta, gamma, delta at epsilon, if the starting material with good leaving group, with respect to the leaving group, beta positions or gamma position or delta position or epsilon position, if a lone pair of electrons is present, that will generally undergoing neighboring group participation. If the starting material is containing good leaving group, with respect to the leaving group, beta position, gamma position, delta position and epsilon position, if a lone pair of electrons is present, that will undergoing neighboring group participation, that is anchimeric assistance. If that will undergo neighboring group participation, the rate of reaction is exceptionally high. Rate of reaction for that compound is high. Okay, suppose if you take two starting materials, one starting material is the same leaving group with two starting materials, one is with beta, gamma, delta or epsilon position, one lone pair is there. Other starting material is without lone pair at beta, gamma, delta or epsilon position. Definitely the rate of reaction which is containing lone pair at beta, gamma, delta, epsilon is definitely more than the normal compound. Okay, that is because of the neighboring group participation. Always in this neighboring group participation, retention of the configuration will take place. Always retention will take place. Of course, 2SN2 will take place. That means 2 inversions. After 2 inversions, definitely retention of the configuration will take place in neighboring group participation. 3-membered, 4-membered, 5-membered, 6-membered rings are formed in these reactions. Generally 3, 4, 5, 6-membered rings are formed in these reactions. Smaller the ring, more is the reactivity. See one example. Let's see one example. For example, pH, yes, Okay, otherwise take NH, CH2, CH2, Cl, let us say alkyl halide, reacts with aqueous KOH. See, this will undergo neighboring group participation. Definitely the product obtained is this one, pH, NH, CH2, CH2, OH with retention of the configuration will takes place. Okay, 2 SN2s will takes place. But the rate of reaction for this reaction is more. Why? Because see, with respect to the leaving group, this is leaving group. With respect to the leaving group, alpha, beta and this is gamma. Okay. At gamma there is a lone pair of electron. If a lone pair of electron at gamma position, so it will undergo neighboring group participation. Let's see what is happening. So this will undergo neighboring group participation like this. So this nitrogen will attack backside with respect to CH2. This is 1 and SN2. As a result, initially the product obtained is like this: CH, NH, CH2 and CH2. Like this. Okay, 3-membered ring will be formed. After that, the OH minus will attack in the second step. Okay, so either in path 1 and path 2. Okay, that depends on the steric hindrance. So here both are same. Again, this will attack from the back side. This is 1 SN2. One SN2 inversion of the configuration and another SN2 inversion of the configuration. 2 inversions. Finally, we will get the retention of the configuration. And also, since at beta gamma position lone pair is there, the rate of reaction for this is exceptionally high. This is called as a neighboring group participation or anchimeric assistance. The idea is, so whenever a good leaving group containing compounds will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction, but the rate of that nucleophilic substitution reaction is more when at beta, gamma, delta, epsilon if lone pair is there. If lone pair is there, that will undergo neighboring group participation like this. There is a formation of 3 or 4 or 5 or 6-membered ring formation will be taking place. After that, so the nucleophile again will attack from the back side. 2 inversions will take place. Even though 2 inversions, finally we will get retention of the configuration, and the rate is exceptionally more when compared to the without these lone pair of electrons at beta, gamma, delta and epsilon position. So this is about NGP. We will solve some problems. Okay, clear? Okay. Now we will see some examples in NGP reaction. See, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl reacts with aqueous KOH. Let us say aqueous KOH. And the product obtained in this reaction is CH3, CH2, SN2 reaction, CH2, CH2, OH. So definitely here inversion of the configuration will take place, and it is an example of SN2. Only one SN2 reaction will take place, inversion of the configuration will take place. One more example, CH2, CH2, Cl reacts with the aqueous KOH. See, the product obtained here is pH, S, CH2, CH2, OH. But here the product obtained is with retention of the configuration, and here 2 SN2 reactions will take place. 2 SN2 reactions will take place here. So, and also suppose for example this is 1 and this is 2. The rate of reaction of 2 is more than rate of reaction of 1. 600 times, almost 600 times the second reactions completes faster than the first reaction. The reason is, so with respect to the leaving group alpha, beta, at a gamma lone pair of electrons are present with respect to the leaving group. As a result, definitely it will undergo neighboring group participation. See the product, so the intermediate obtained here is S, CH2 and so Cl minus like this, it will attack from the back side, CH2 like this, okay, plus will form here. So in the second step, OH minus will attack. Here there are 2 possibilities, either from here or here. Okay, since both are same, there is no competition. So either any side is same. So this is one first SN2, this is the second SN2. Yes, so inversion to inversion we will get with the retention of the configuration. And also due to this lone pair of electrons at gamma position, the rate of reaction of 2 is more than 1. That is because of the neighboring group participation or anchimeric assistance. So the rate is exceptionally high. See, write the product form. Next problem, write the product form. We will take triplet, very good leaving group, OTF, triplet, OCH3. There is a lone pair of electrons on oxygen. So, see, write the product form when it reacts with methanol. See here, let's see, this is a good leaving group. With respect to the leaving group, alpha, beta, gamma, delta at epsilon, lone pair of electrons is there. So definitely it will undergo anchimeric assistance. So it will, so see, the lone pair will attack here by the elimination of OTF. See the product obtained is, so first I will write the intermediate, OCH3, positive charge, then like this. Okay, this is the intermediate obtained after anchimeric assistance. In the second step, methanol will attack. CH3OH, okay, the lone pair. Here there are two possibilities. So the opening will be taking place like this or like this. Okay, so suppose this is path 1, if it is like this, or path 2 like this. But path 2, if it is attacking here, there is big CH3 group is there. Because of the steric hindrance, this is not preferable and this is preferable. As a result, the product obtained in this reaction is CH3, OCH3, OCH3. This is the major compound that will formed in the nucleophilic substitution of this triplet reaction. Okay, and also the rate of this reaction is more, that is because of the neighboring group participation at epsilon position. Clear? Next problem, next question, CH3, CH, CH3, Cl reacts with aqueous KOH. Write the product obtained in this reaction. CH3, nitrogen, N-dimethyl, CH2, CH, CH3, Cl reacts with KOH. CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. CH2, CH2, Cl reacts with aqueous KOH, reacts with aqueous KOH. Okay, see. 3 questions. In the first question, isopropyl chloride reacts with aqueous KOH. This is secondary alkyl halide. So generally SN2 reaction will take place. What is happening here? There is no anchimeric assistance. There is no neighboring group participation. So the product obtained here is OH. With the SN2, inversion of the configuration will take place. Inversion of the configuration will take place. Since there is no neighboring group participation, why? Because at beta or gamma position, there is no lone pair of electrons is present. The second example, so this is the leaving group. With respect to the leaving group, alpha, beta, but here there is no next groups. Go to here, beta, gamma. At gamma, there is a lone pair of electrons is present. If lone pair of electron is present at gamma, definitely this will undergo neighboring group participation. Let's see. So it will undergo neighboring group participation and that will leave. So Cl group will, Cl will be eliminated like this. So C, CH3, nitrogen, CH3, CH2, then CH, positive charge, and CH3. From here, OH minus will attack. So far the nucleophile, so here there are again two possibilities. So path 1 and path 2. Okay, so displacement will takes place like this, or opening of 3-membered ring, highly strained ring, opening of the ring takes place like this or like this. There are two possibilities. So far the examples that we discussed. So what we see, based on the less steric hindrance. Suppose here, so sterically crowded, here sterically free, two hydrogens are there. So attacking from here is easy, less steric hindrance, whereas attacking from here is little difficult. Why? Because CH3 group, big group CH3 group is there. So this is less favored and this is more favored. As a result, the product obtained is CH3, nitrogen, CH3, and so this group will cleave. So this is not possible. So as a result, CH, CH3, then CH2, OH. This is the product obtained in this question, and this is 100% with retention of the configuration will takes place. Retention of the configuration. So this is first SN2 and this is second SN2, two inversions. So inversions followed by inversion, finally with retention of the configuration will take place. And also if you compare the rate of reaction 1 and 2, definitely the second reactions completes faster. Why? Because for the second reaction at gamma position, lone pair of electrons are present. Whenever there is a lone pair of electrons are present at beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, that will undergo neighboring group participation. That nucleophilic substitution reactions will complete very fast when compared to other groups. Why? Because other groups there is no neighboring group, there is no ring formations like this. Okay, right. Now coming to the next example. So this one. So CH3, CH2, Cl. So the product obtained is definitely the product obtained. So I will write like this. So here the product obtained is CH3, CH2. Simple example. But this is SN2 reaction with the inversion of the configuration will takes place, and there is no neighboring group participation will takes place. Whereas if you see here, aqueous KOH, here also, but here very important example here, CH2, CH2, OH. Here see the rate of reaction of 1 and 2. In rate of, so in 1, so with respect to the leaving group alpha, beta and gamma, there is no electron rich center. Whereas here alpha, beta and gamma, lone pair is not there, but there is a double bond electron rich. Whenever there electron rich or lone pair is there, so the rate of that reaction is more when compared to this one. So definitely the rate of reaction of 2 is more than the rate of reaction of the 1. That is because of that gamma electron rich center is there. So this is about neighboring group participation. Follow the class, read well, all the very best. Thank you.